Hello, in today's video, I am showing you how I usually crochet. When I make the increases, I don't use stitch marker or yarn. I am looking after the corner that the two stitches make. And I know that in that corner, as you can see here, in that corner, the stitch makes a small V, so I know in the second stitch in the V, I am making an increase. I usually use a yarn when I'm counting rows, like when I have to do, I don't know, 42 stitches, single crochet, and there I am using yarn as a stitch marker, so I know where my stitch starts and where the row ends, so I won't have to count each stitch, and so I don't have to count each rows. But I found very interesting that when you increase, every increase makes a V-stitch, and from that stitch, when you see it, you won't have to count anymore.